step, day by day. Oh Lord, I love you. You're the precious one to me. And I do this and that. Lord, remind me where you're at. You're in my spirit, dispensing grace to me. Atong tindugan ng chorus. I am crucified with Christ, and it is no longer I who live, but it is Christ who lives in me. And the life which I have lived in the flesh, I live in faith, the faith in the Son of God, who loved and gave himself up for me. And now I'm walking by the Spirit, marching on toward the goal. Oh Lord, your purpose means everything to me.